Struggling with patchy or thin grass that just won't fill in no matter what you do? Alright, so here's the deal with fixing patchy grass. First off, overseeding is your best friend. Spread some fresh grass seed over those bare spots to help new grass grow right where it's missing. Next, don't sleep on your soil quality. Adding organic matter, like compost, can make a huge difference because healthy soil means happy grass roots. Make sure you're watering properly. Not too little, not too much. Like giving your lawn a good soak early in the morning so it soaks in before the heat hits. Fertilizing is also key, but don't just grab any random fertilizer. Go for one that fits your grass type and season to keep things balanced and green. Aerate your lawn if the soil is compacted. It lets oxygen, water, and nutrients reach the roots better. Also, mow smart by keeping your grass a bit longer during hot months to protect it from drying out. Avoid walking on wet grass too much since it can damage tender new shoots and cause more patches. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests or diseases that might be messing with your grass and tackle those early. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thin or patchy grass is skipping overseeding. If you don't add new seeds where grass is missing, you're never going to get a full lawn. Fix it by spreading seed regularly in early fall or spring. Another common issue is ignoring soil quality. If your dirt is too hard or poor, grass roots can't grow well. Fix this by aerating and mixing in compost or topsoil to boost nutrients and texture. A third mistake is over-fertilizing or using the wrong fertilizer, which can burn your grass or make it grow unevenly. Always pick fertilizer made for your grass type and follow the instructions carefully to keep your lawn healthy. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local lawn care pros and contractors who know exactly how to fix patchy grass problems. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who really need their services so everyone wins.